Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and these are a few of my 17-inch Barbies. And I absolutely love those dolls. I think it was this one used to stand on my desk all the time and on the counter when I filmed years ago. I like sewing for this size. I've been working on patterns. This is my own pattern if she were standing more square. Let's see if I can pull this down and turn her shirt around. I made this pattern, I'm tweaking this one, and I've done some hair cutting, which I really like. I need to brush that real quick. Oh, I thought I had the brush right here. Oh, well. And I did hers. Turn her around. And I really like it. I think it gives them more of a fashion doll look than a playline look. And then Darren has been making flexible shoe soles. Isn't that cute? I made her these to match her little leggings. And so I'm really having fun with these dolls again. And I love the yellow ones. I love the Nemas. But I also love these Barbies. Jean dolls. You know, if you watch my channel at all, you know I love Jean dolls. Well, I have a box and I have a stand. Let's see, I have her, another one of hers still in the box. And I think there's at least one more Barbie still. Oh, I wanted to show her.
I really like it. I was going to point it out.
Yeah, I do too. When this doll came, when I bought her, she was new in the box. And when she came out of the box, I was doing a collab with Tammy Powley at Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden. And I cut her hair right away and I braided it for a Bridgerton collab. And when I bought this doll, I thought, you know, I'd like to give that doll some wave and some curl. So I remembered that I had cut this hair and I took the braids out and it waved a little bit. So I redid and I put all kinds of small braids in and put it in really hot water and then let it stand for days. And I love the results. She was on the counter this morning and I don't have it right now. I got it witchy looking again, but oh, I really like her. And the top on her just looks so cute, that brown with that brown eyes. She needs shoes. She's waiting for the printer. The printer's in there printing the flexible shoes in dark brown right now, and that's what she's waiting on. I'm thinking about using this fabric across the top rather than a ribbon. Oh, he's already got my scissors set up. Thank you, darling. And let's see how this girl looks. I want to be careful with the scissors. I don't need another injury.
Blood all over the place.
Oh, God. Okay, she is wrapped with high dollar paper towels that I will reuse. I use these to wash my goat bowls. We have goats. And after they eat, I wash their bowls, and I use one for, I don't know, several days. So I will, boy, they gave me a lot of them too.
Whole nother roll.
Yeah, no kidding, that'll last. Okay, here is my, thank you for your purchase. We appreciate your business. We hope you love your Barbie. I hope I do too. I got to tell you, these dolls, these simple 17-inch Dreamtopia Barbies really have my attention. I'm having so much fun with them. I'm cutting hair, I have ideas, really love hers. Name this one Nanea, because I think she looks American Indian. And Darren said, well, Nanea sounds Hawaiian. Well, that works too. So I bought another one. And what I plan to do, I will comb that mess out. You know, I might do a little cutting before I comb that out. We'll see. The problem with cutting it before you get the knots out is some of this might be longer or shorter, which you can make adjustments on. I mean, no doubt about it. But I want to cut her hair and dye it. And I'm thinking either dark brown or black. I don't know. If I do black, I might leave it long, give her 2 braids and make her a Wednesday Addams outfit. I don't know what yet. I'm still thinking, but I have ideas. And we pierced Nenea's ears. She has a little gold chain too. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Darren had to help me. I used a big safety pin, but I couldn't push it all the way through, so he helped me, and then we found these earrings, and I think that is adorable. So we're going to pierce her ears. Boy, she is nice and tight and right. And these dolls' legs also go out to the side a little bit, enough that they could ride a horse. If you look, they can ride a horse, and I really like that. No shoes, but she has original dress. I must have 7 of these dresses. And what I ought to do is figure out something cute, you know, like cut this all the way around, make like an Easter dress out of it, maybe add some, yeah. If I had some turquoise ribbon put around the bottom, maybe I'll try that for Easter. We'll see. Let's see what she's, yeah, that would work. I could cut that all the way. Oh, it's sewn in together. That's not a problem. Yeah, maybe I'll try making a little Easter dress out of one of these, because like I said, I have several.
A little bonnet for her.
Oh, yeah, I could do that. You know, I wonder if there's enough there to make a little bonnet. Yeah, I bet there is, because it would be about that short. We'll see what happens, but yeah, bought another one of these 17-inch Barbies, and I won't tell you it'll be the last. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
It's really a pretty collection you've got going there.
Thank you.